relation and function has many practical uses in our life. Consider the case of stock trading. Stock trading is usually done by investors who want to encash from the rise or fall in the share price. Here, the mathematical concept of relation and function is used frequently. Firstly, let us see price as a function of time. P is equal to f of t, function of t. Similarly, return for investor as a function of price change. As just mentioned, the price change in the stock is directly proportional to the return for the investors. So this can be expressed as R equals to f of delta P. This delta P is the change in price. Similarly, the price of the stock as a function of demand and supply. When the demand for a stock is higher, the price goes up. When the supply is lesser, the price goes up. If the supply is lower, then the price, if the supply is higher, then the price goes down. If the demand is lower, then the price goes down. So these are practical uses of relation and function in stock trading. Let us see another example. Moving average, which is an important indicator in gauging the stock movement, is expressed in multiple time frames. So the moving average is a function of different time frames, which can be expressed as MA, means moving average, as a function of T is equal to MAT equals to a function of PT, PT minus 1, PT minus 2, which can go till PT minus N. Similarly, even the option payoff is a function of the strike price and the current ruling price of that stock. So, in option also, relation and function is used very vigorously. Let us now see one example of how relation is used in case of stock trading. So when we have seen, usually when some news, important news comes up, the many stocks move. So this can be seen as a relation because one news affects the stock price of many stocks. N is related to S1, S2, S3, S4 or SN, n number of stocks. So here one to many relation comes up. So on these parameters, usually the quant models which are used by the bigger institutional investors for trading purposes is built on. Quant model frequently uses multiple signals to create the algorithm for buying or selling up stocks. So relation functions has many practical use cases in the stock trading.